Hi guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to talk about raw strings and multi-line strings in Swift. So let's see this with an example. So we will create a string. Let string is equal to, I'll say, I'm sure about the thing. And what we want is like this, the thing, we want that in the quotes. And then we want to print the string. As you can see, we get a compiler error because Swift is not able to understand that this is a whole string, because we have a quote here and Swift thinks that this is the string, and then we have some extra character here and this is another string. So it's confused. So to solve this issue, what you can do is escape these extra quotes inside the string, and then Swift will be able to interpret this as the whole string. And it will interpret these quotes literally inside the string. So it's now printing, I'm sure about the thing with the quotes. You could have like many other special characters inside the string that need to be escaped if you want the literal meaning. So let's say you have this w/m, and this /n is generally interpreted as a new line when it's inside a string. And if you just literally mean this, then you have to escape the escape. So you have to escape the escape n character so that it's interpreted literally. Now there's one more thing that you can do where you don't have to escape anything inside your string if you just literally mean what is inside these quotes. What you can do is you can append a hash and around your string, and then Swift will be able to interpret that this is a single raw string, and it will interpret whatever is inside this string as raw string. As you can see, like now it prints I'm sure about the thing and with the special escape n character. So that's very useful feature of Swift because you don't have to worry about using the right escaping sequence for your raw string. There's one more thing, that is multi-line string. Let's say you have a quotation, and then in the quotation, let's say you have this string as the quotation. So this is a quotation, like it has a line and then it has some quoted words in between, like this and like here. So I'm going to just copy this from here and paste it inside of our string. But as you can see, Swift is again confused because it cannot interpret these things. And what if we try to do the raw string with our previous strategy? It doesn't work because these strings are on different lines, and Swift is again confused what this space is like new lines mean here. So we cannot use this raw string. So for this kind of stuff, what we have is instead of using a single quote, we use 3 quotes. And similarly, at the end, we will, instead of single quote, we will use 3 quotes. And let's then try to print our quotation. Now, as you can see, we have the quotation printed as is, and you can see the new line here is also getting printed as a new line. And so what it does is it ignores whatever is at the end of the string. So if we have space at the end of the string in this line, let's say, it ignores this space. And similarly, on any other line, it will ignore the trailing spaces. But it will not ignore spaces before any line. So if we have a spacing before this line, you can see that is printed. So let's say you want to use triple quotes at some point, like say here. Now you will have a problem because triple quote is the one that is being used to make this quotation work. So now Swift will be confused what you mean. So either you can escape this and that would work, or you could also do is have a hash at the beginning and the end to make this a raw string. Now you can see like that also works. So that's it for today. I hope this will be useful in your projects. So if you have any questions, please comment down below and I'll reply to every comment. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you're new here, please subscribe to keep seeing content like this. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.